Hi everyone, my name is Ka, and in this presentation, I'll be talking about folksonomies. So, what is folksonomy? It comes from the words taxonomy and folk, which is a user-generated classification system to organize information. Users are in total control to create and manage content with tags, and this practice is also known as collaborative tagging or social tagging. So there are a few differences between folksonomies and taxonomies. So taxonomies is more of a hierarchical structure that sort information based on similar characteristic to create an organized way of categorizing material, while folksonomies does not use predetermined hierarchy to categorize content. The information are added by content consumers rather than the creators. This method gives user more freedom and flexibility to control the information and create organizational links. With taxonomies, informations are added and generated by person or organization that owns the content. The method is more rigid with its classification schemes. So these are some of the most popular applications of folksonomy include, e-commerce sites like Amazon, Plashos, social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, internet, public library catalogs where user can organize and tag items or of interest in user-specific folders, and then they can decide whether or not to post the tag publicly. In general, folksonomy is a new way to organize information. Users gain more exposure for more information and products that fit their needs, as they are enabled to add tags to information that can be found easily later. Folksonomy solves some of the challenges that taxonomy have. While taxonomies usually use language for professional audience, the majority is end users might have difficulty understanding categories and topics. Folksonomies is better in a way that it reflects the vocabularies of users, regardless of viewpoints or biases. It is easier to be perceived. Folksonomies is also supports and improve content visibility as well as searchability. Broad folksonomy can provide a wide range of data, while narrow folksonomies can give a more specific content type of information. Users are also able to have social collaboration through shared tags. However, folksonomy still have a few limitations because it gives user too much freedom to be in total control of generating and sharing information. There is a lack of governance and reliance. There's also lack of content synonym and linguistic control where tags will be overused. This method can be difficult to manage subcategories due to no form hierarchy. As mentioned, overtagging could be an issue that leads to irrelevant information and result to meaningless searches. Hashtags are widely utilized across different social platforms as a method of organizing a large amount of content. Hashtags not only assist with the organization of content, but they also promote user engagement by allowing specific content to be more accessible in a central location. But there are times where inappropriate hashtags are overflown and cause uncontrolled vocabularies, leading to ambiguity, chaos, imprecisions, and inconsistent structure. Today, folksonomy help address taxonomy challenges with the organization of information. Information architect does not have to reorganize taxonomy. It is a tool to gain community conversations or collaboration through different platforms, and it helps to establish architecture of information that improve user experience. Folksonomy is one of the biggest aspects of information architecture is the structural design that connects users and content through the organization and hierarchy of information. The method solves the basic problem of helping user access vast amount of information in the best way. So effective information architecture on arrangement of information and how accessible these information for user, as well as the interaction between content and users. By assigning tags, a user unintentionally help information architect structure and organize new information that serve user need. The site needs to be able to communicate effectively with content consumer. As the information system has become more and more complex, users, brands, and are now communicating with each other through shared tags that have common interests or characteristic. Therefore, Folksonomy yet to prove their value and role in letting users do most of their organization works. Thank you.